Welcome back to the C programming tutorials. Today we're gonna talk about the placeholder inside the printf function. Let's go and run the code blocks. Click on File, New and Empty File. Save, Ctrl S, give a name. I'm giving a name based on the tutorial topic. Placeholder. Okay, alright. Remember I mentioned earlier that in every C file we have to include the header file stdio.ace. This is necessary in every program. And the main function int main. When I'll describe about how to create your own method, on how to create your own functions, then you will understand what is a function, what is a main function. You will understand that time. You'll be clear. And why do we return something like this? Everything will be clear to you when I will describe about the functions. Because functions are the most important parts of any programming language. Okay, let's create two variables. Int x equal 1 2 3 semicolon. End of every statement you must put a semicolon. And into y equal 3 4 5 and sum equal x plus y. Okay, printf. Inside the printf function, double quotation, and then the first number %d. This is placeholder. That means in this place there will be an integer number which will print here in this place. Just for now there is only a placeholder, something else to hold the place for that variable. So we're just mentioning that here will be an integer value. That's it. And the second number is the second number %d. Okay. Aside the double quotation, comma, and this placeholder 1 and 2, this is the index. X for 1 and comma y for 2. So what will happen here, that the value of x will display in this position and the value of y will display in this position. And semicolon, end of the statement. Printf. We know how to print a value of a variable inside a printf function. Let's go and print %d. We can add some text. Summation is the same thing here. Here is only one placeholder, so we have to write only one variable name. This is sum. We want to print the value of sum here. Okay, let's go ahead and run the code. Okay, the first number is 1 2 3 and the second number 3 4 5. Summation this 4 6 8. But this placeholder %d will only work for integer number. But what if we give a float number, a double number, a character, a string, it will change. It will not be the same placeholder like %d. It will be different. Let's see. Instead of creating a variable into, we're going to create a float type variable, float z equal this, not exactly this, but something like this. This is a float number, decimal number. Let's see, printf %f. Here will be %f for float type variable z. Okay, let's add some new line here also. 2 times. Okay, all right. Here is the float value. Awesome. Another variable is character. C equal. When you're declaring a variable, then you have to write the character inside a single quotation, like this. Why? Let's go and see how to print the value of this character variable. %c and the name of the variable. Let's add some text. The char value is just we need some we need 2 new lines. That's why we put this syntax here. We see this is placeholder, so it will be different based on the variable type. It will be %d for integer, %f for float, and %c for character. That's it. Simple. This is quite simple. That's it for placeholder, and see you in the next video.